Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to download and install YouTube Music on your Windows PC. But we all know that YouTube Music is not available for Windows PC for now, but Spotify have it. But if you want an app experience for YouTube Music, in this video I'm going to show you how to do that. First of all, you have to make sure you install Chrome on your Windows PC. Now go to the official website. Go to YouTube Music website. And make sure you are logged in. You can see right here, I'm already logged in. So what you have to do is to click on install at the top. You're going to see where it says install at the address bar right here. So click on it. It's going to ask you, do you want to install YouTube Music? Click on install. By the way, this is the web app version. This is the web app. It operates just like the app experience. So now we have installed YouTube Music. I'm going to close this one and close this one. So this is it in our desktop. You can pin it to your taskbar if you want. Even when you go to your start menu, you're going to see it right here. So when you open it, it's going to open YouTube Music, just like you install the app. So that's how you download and install YouTube Music web app version. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.